Good save.
This experience playing beach volleyball was extremely fun. I didn't realize how exhausting it was going to be. It's really hot, but the camaraderie is awesome, and my teammates are awesome to pick me up when I'm getting a little exhausted. But overall, it's super fun.
All right, so as I was saying, pass in front of you, 12 feet off your inside shoulder. All right, chop line, angle, cut, looking short. All right, when you set 2 feet off the net, miss on her right shoulder. Okay.
The second year on the beach team. It's also the second year of the beach team being around. So I was one of the founding members of the team. Last season was super fun. This season we started off a little bit slow, but I can really see everything coming together. We had our first tournament today, and we did pretty well. I know that we have a lot more potential, which will come out later on in the season, but I'm ready to get back to practice and work hard.